Unit 4, page 42.
Once I saw a little bird. Sing and enjoy this poem.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, "Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?" I was going to the window to say, "How do you do?" But he shook his little tail and away he flew.
New words learnt from the poem. Bird,
Hop,
stop,
tail,
window,
let's read.
the bird flies out of the window.
He must stop cutting trees. Page 43.
Reading is fun.
What did the child see?
What was the little bird doing?
Let's talk.
Do you see any birds around your school or your house?
Have you tried talking to them?
Let's do.
Join the letters from A to Z.
Here you can see picture of a beautiful peacock with a huge tail in a dancing position. It's green and blue and yellow and orange. And you can see some dots on his tail. Connect them to make a picture.
Page 44.
Trace over the dotted lines and letters. Now color the stars.
Here you can see 5 stars with 5 different alphabets. Connect the dots to complete each alphabet.
In the first star, there is letter M.
In the second star, there is letter N.
And then there is P.
And after that, there is Q.
And then there is T.
Say these words aloud and talk about the picture. Then tick the right color.
Here you can see a picture of a house. And the house's roof is pink. The walls are yellow. The windows are brown. And the door is blue. There is a dustbin which is pink in color. The plants are green and the floor is gray.
Roof,
Door,
windows,
walls,
floor,
plants.
dustbin.
The roof is pink or blue.
The walls are yellow or red.
The windows are green or brown.
The door is blue or gray.
The dustbin is pink or green.
The plants are green or orange.
The floor is gray or brown.